to Barili, the Paige, Cebu, together with my dancer friends. And now I am with Janelyn, our CPA, and also my boyfriend Ramon. And now we are outside Janine's house. We're still waiting for her.
Ramon!
Hi to the vlog! Hi Sir Marv!
We need to wait first.
Say hi to the vlog! Good, that's so cute! What is that?
What? LOL though.
LOL?
Laughing out loud.
Did you say my makeup is nice?
Ano?
What's my name?
Be the one to drive. What's your name, mommy?
Yeah, you know me. Do you know him? The guy there?
Kuya? Ramo.
Time check. It is now 11:01 and we are still in car and Sam is yo-yoing her. Say hi. What
Say
are you
hi,
talking
vlog.
about? Say hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi vlog. Hello vlog. Tingnan hello vlog. Say hi vlog ba?
Tawa.
Hi, say hi. Hi. Oh, here. Hello guys. So we are now fully booked. We are now full packed here in the car with Arky, our balikbayan, fresh from Samar, and also Delena. Hello.
Kasi kahuot sila, napipakante dahil.
Fresh from Alfonso.
Still raining guys. We're still here in Cafe Alfonso. It's a rainy morning. It's a rainy afternoon here in the Paige. Hello you guys. So we are now here in the Paige in Barili Cebu and it's still raining though. Hello. Hello kids. We are now here and I will let you see how everything looks like inside and outside.
Now let me show you how their rooms look like. So this is room 1 and all the rooms are actually air conditioned, and as you can see it's really spacious and has a mirror in it, and also they have basic toiletries, towels, and they have a beautiful CR. Hey there. With a hot and cold shower. Each room also has their own private balconies. Hey there. So here's room 2, which is basically the same with the room 1, and it's also pretty. And then again, it's another bathroom with another hot and cold shower. The only difference that room 3 has is it has its own window where you can open it and then just see the sea view and also the pool. I honestly forgot to take a video of the room upstairs, but it was the biggest one with 2 bunk beds.
Wow! Time with the dad. The ML. What's the ML? Hi Ron, the working student. Yeah, the Kenzo Regine SG. Hello. Are you done cleaning and cooking? No, ay very good kasi you're done, Jude. Fatherly figure, Jude, guys, siya.
Sa ganti man na naman ako gapas sa hugaw.
Reklamo.
Pati pa naman din.
Ginaalam mo, give your best shot. Okay.
Let me share a quick backstory about my USC dance troupe family and how we actually met. The University of San Carlos Dance Troupe is the sole performing arts dance group in our university whose main focus are Philippine folk dances. I got to audition and was fortunate to be part of this group for my entire 4 years of college. All members are scholars in the university. We all have different courses, but we all meet almost every night for our nightly practices. Imagine that bond that you could build within the 4 years of being together, right? Yes, they are more than just my schoolmates. I actually treat them as my non-biological brothers and sisters. I could barely remember about one time how I was super stressed with all my academics, as I couldn't easily keep up with some subjects, but at the moment I get inside our dance troupe hall after a whole day of a hectic class and seeing all smiles of all the other dance troupe members, it just immediately discharges all my anxiety and fear. Well, this group was not just all about laughter and happiness. It has its own ups and downs, and it has played a great role in my entirety and has significantly changed me and challenged me as a person. This group holds a big part of my well-being that I will truly value for a lifetime. I know this might sound cheesy, but these people, especially my mentors, are just for keeps.